We recently had the chance to work at the Sevilla HOA Amenity Center, and this was a great project for the Jax Outdoor Solutions team. The community wanted to upgrade part of their outdoor space with artificial turf, something that would look great year-round and hold up to regular use from residents. So the first step was removing the existing turf. Once that was cleared out, we regraded the area to make sure the foundation was solid and the drainage was right. Next, we installed border material around the perimeter to define the space. From there, we moved into our standard turf installation process. We installed and compacted crushed aggregate base to create a strong, level surface. Then the artificial turf was rolled out, trimmed to fit the space, and seamed together so everything looks clean and seamless. Then we added infill and brushed the fibers so the blades stand upright and give it that natural appearance. For HOA amenity centers like Sevilla, artificial turf is a great solution. It stays green all year, eliminates mowing and irrigation, reduces maintenance costs, and holds up really well to heavy foot traffic from residents and guests. The result is a clean, durable space that looks great and is ready to be enjoyed every day. At Jax Outdoor Solutions, we're proud to be a trusted partner for communities and homeowners across Northeast Florida. If you're looking to upgrade an outdoor space in your community or at your home, we'd love to help bring that vision to life.